Oh, this guy's a fucking legend. Oh,
It is.
holy fuck, he's carrying the fuck out of us.
You ready? Let's go.
Oh yeah, sweaty hands, yeah.
That's where victories come from.
Apparently that's where victories come from.
Dude, that was a pretty good game.
Maybe
bro.
there's some over here too, though. All four of us, sweet, let's go. Where did the fourth guy come from? This is the middle. Oh shit, who's driving this thing? Down, down, down!
Yo, what the freak? Oh my god.
Why did you jump?
Because it was gonna explode?
Yo. Oh. I
150?
really had the best loot.
He's pushing in hard. 72. He's pushing right at this other guy. One more
Watch out,
on the hill.
homies. Watch out.
Also one up there. 375 knock. He's not up there anymore.
Ooh. That was so sexy.
Is there another one?
Yeah, you launch padded behind me.
What's this dude doing? Oh.
My dude is gonna die, bro. He's inside the box, dog. What are you doing?
There's still a knocked dude in front of him too, to his left. The knocked dude right there. I mean, that means there's at least one person alive somewhere. Oh, I got kill credit for that. You got this, dude. Where are all your minis?
Damn, this guy doesn't even know how to build. No.
No.
Yeah, go save us.
So we're gonna have to
Don't go
go
for
back
that.
and get all our loot.
This could be the video where the random saves us.
No. Fuck, are we gonna actually go back? Are we going back, guys?
I mean, this guy's going back. Yeah, I guess we're going back.
We better not fucking die from
There's
this.
one dude.
Oh, he's right there. He's right there, bro. He's right there.
Oh, he's building up. He's hitting the launch pad.
Oh, he launch padded away. I think he's coming back though.
Run, bitch! Run!
Oh shit, I'm coming. I didn't realize you guys were fighting.
Oh my gosh. Are you on the Wi-Fi? This is where's the iPad?
There's a dude in the building too. It's two against you. Two against you.
Oh shit. You got this, little dude. Carry us to the victory. Carry us, man. Oh, this guy's a fucking legend. Oh,
It
my God.
is.
Holy fuck, he's carrying the fuck out of us. Oh my god, he has 6 kills, bro. Hurry, hurry, pick me up, pick me up. Yeah, yes.
Did he get you in time? Holy shit.
This guy's a fucking goat, bro. Oh my god. I'm picking up everything.
Get our cards. Get our cards. This guy's got him. By himself.
I'm fighting by myself. This is not okay. This is not okay, bro.
Oh shit! Move. Come in. Good job.
I got one.
I got one. I'm getting Falcon up.
Yep. Good
Oh,
job.
We need
man.
help. We need help over
fucking
here.
good, dude.
I'm going. I knocked him.
Nice, you
Fuck
killed this
yeah.
guy. Same person. Good job.
Bro, if we get this win, bro, oh my god.
Right? 8. 4v4. I see the fight.
Hold on.
24 shield, 24 shield.
Is the squad all there? Or
I don't know, I just saw 2 of them. Might be
Ah,
2v4. Could be 2 more somewhere
2-2
else.
or...
Building out the back, building out the back. I think we just gotta hold this hilltop that me and Angel are on. We're on the high ground. Keep spraying. They're running up at him. You gotta spray the teammates. Launch padding. This dude's wide on me. I got 1 over here. Is this the last guy?
I think so.
No, there's 2 more.
I'm a snipe it. I'm a snipe the wall.
Oh, I got sniped. I got sniped. Sniper. I don't know where. Footsteps. Behind the tree. We got problems. Pick up.
We're going.
Our friend's fighting the last dude behind the tree. Oh no!
Oh,
Falcon,
fuck.
come back!
Oh shit!
I got a minigun. We just gotta spray him.
You gotta hurry. You gotta hurry.
Minigunning. One shot. He's 1 shot. There we go.
Oh, I shot.
Keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed. On this grind, you always stress. So I work harder than the rest that always said to do my best.